Hi everyone, welcome to Cypress tutorial. Today in this tutorial, we will learn how to handle dropdowns in Cypress. Dropdowns are commonly used in web applications and Cypress provided an easy way to interact with them. So let's begin. In this tutorial, I will show you how to handle this dropdown. As you can view here, we can select one option 1 or either option 2. So let's begin. Open VS Code and create a new file here. Right click on E2E new file. Enter the file name dropdown.sci.js. This is our new test file. Copy this test case. First, we need to navigate to the URL. So here change visit website and our test case is handle drop down Cypress. Remove this. First, navigate to the URL. So copy this URL and enter the URL here. Sci.visit, and this is the website URL. Now, first we need to locate this element here. First, when we refresh the page, this option is showing. Please select an option. Right click, inspect, and here ID is available. ID is equal to dropdown. Inside this ID, we have two options, option 1 and option 2. We can select by index and by visible text. Here index, first value of index is 1 and the second value of index is equal to 2, and the visible text is equal to option 1 and option 2. So we have two options for handling this dropdown. Now copy this ID. ID is equal to dropdown inside this test case. Sci dot get and enter ID here. ID is equal to dropdown and we want to select this option. So here we will use select and enter the visible text. Here visible text is equal to option 1. Option 1. Now save this test and on this test case for opening the Cypress, we need to enter the command npx cypress open. Now Cypress is opening and then we need to select the E2E testing option. Cypress is opening. We can maximize the window and select E2E testing configured. And here multiple browsers are available. You can perform the testing on Chrome, Edge, Electron, Firefox. Now select the Chrome and click on Start end-to-end test in Chrome. After selecting the browser, we need to select our test file and the test file is equal to dropdown. We can format document, right click and click on format document. Now select this file which is dropdown. Test case is running. First it will navigate to the URL. We navigate to the URL and select the value by visible text. Select an option and here you can be option 1 has been selected because here we enter sci.get. First locate the element and then select the option 1. Same as well, we can select option 2, right click here, inspect, and then option 2. option 2. Save this test file and the Cypress will automatically run the test. First, navigate to the URL and select this option by visible text. Here two options, option 1 and option 2. Now, I will show you how you can select this option by index. And here index is for value 1, index is equal to 1. Now, we will select the option by index. In Cypress, we have two options. Select drop down by visible text, and the second option, select drop down value by index. We have two options for selecting the value in a drop down. Now, here we just need to change the value option 2 to 1. Save this test file. When the test is running, first it will navigate to the URL and select the option 1. Same as well, we can select the second option by index 2, enter the index 2 save file, and the test is running. First it will navigate to the URL and select the option 2. That it's for today tutorial. We successfully handle drop-down in Cypress using different methods. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to SK World for more Cypress tutorial. See you in the next video.